So now we're going to talk about challenges and limitations of data science with SAS programming. Acknowledging potential challenges and limitations is essential for a balanced viewpoint on data science with SAS programming. Acknowledging potential challenges, complex learning curve, data privacy concerns, hardware and software requirements, cost consideration, limited open source community support. That's So now we're going to talk about these. What is complex learning curve? Mastering SAS programming can be time consuming due to its intricacies, which may pose a challenge for beginners. The challenge it may have here is learning SAS can be challenging due to its proprietary nature and the need for specific training. Users may find it difficult to master the various modules and functionalities of SAS, which could slow down the adaptation process. The impact it could have is that the complex learning curve may result in longer time to proficiency for new users, training costs, and the potential for errors during the initial phases can affect the overall efficiency of the data sets. Next, we have data privacy concerns. Working with sensitive data in data science project requires a deep understanding of privacy regulations and the skills to protect data integrity. The challenge it poses is that handling sensitive data requires a stringent privacy measures. This is being used in various industries, including finance and healthcare, must adhere to strict data privacy regulation and compliance standards. The impact it could occur is that failure to address data privacy concern adequately can lead to legal issues, reputational damage, and loss of trust. Organizations using SAS need to ensure that the data handling practice align with industry and regional privacy regulations. Next, we have hardware and software requirements. Addressing the need for high performance systems and licensed SAS software can be limitation for individual or organizational budget constraints. The challenge it imposes is that limiting SAS may require specific hardware configuration and software dependency. Compatibility issue with existing infrastructure can be barrier to adoption due to implementation of SAS. The impact it could occur is the organization may need to invest in upgrading their hardware and software infrastructure just to meet SAS requirements, which can lead to increased upfront costs and potential disruptions during the transition period. Next, we have cost considerations. The cost of SAS license and maintenance can be a significant factor, especially for smaller organizations or startups. The challenge it poses is SAS is a proprietary software, and the licensing costs can be significant. The pricing model may include various components such as a user license modules and maintenance fees. An impact it may occur is high licensing costs can be barrier, particularly for small organizations with limited budgets. Cost considerations are crucial in decision-making process, and organization may need to weigh the benefits of assets against its financial implementations. Limited open source community support. Compared to open source tools, SAS is a small community which can affect the availability of community-driven resources. The challenge it poses here is that SAS has a small open source community compared to some popular open source tools, which means the community driven support and collaborative problem solving opportunities are very limited. The impact it could have is that users relying on community support may face challenges in finding solutions to specific issues they may face. Availability of tutorials, user contributor scripts, and supportive community can significantly impact the user experience and troubleshooting capabilities. So, all in all, we can say that these challenges can collectively affect the adoption, efficiency, cost effectiveness of essays in data science environment. Organizations must carefully evaluate their specific needs, consideration factors like the nature of the data, regulatory requirements, budget constraints, and the availability of skilled personnel when deciding whether SAS is the right choice for the data science workflows.